Mm, 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 mm. Okay, I'll do it. Hey there everyone, this is BGirls, and today we're gonna play a horror game named The Mine. Let's press enter to start. Press E, but I don't want to press E. Can I run? I don't know. E. 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 I'm pressing. Oh. Fuck. Nope. Close. Don't do that to me. Please. I want to go on. I mean, that was really rude, door. Yeah, stay there. So rude. What? Let's T. Oh, my. What's T? Oh, there. And click to attack. E. Fuck. What? No. Nope. Nope. Fuck you. Fuck off. What's that? Oh, damn. What's this? What's this? Really? What? Batteries? For this? Can I grab them? Nope. What's, oh, I went through them. Okay, let's try this. Can I jump? Yes, I can jump. What? Door! Don't do that! So fucking rude. Oh, okay. Fuck. What? I'm falling! Oh, no problem. What? Scroll the mouse wheel. Switch. What? Weapon. Oh, and R to reload. Okay, pretty good. Ho, ho. Come on. Oh, I'm falling again. Did it bounce? What the fuck? Oh, so fuck. I don't see a shit. Hello? Hi there. Fuck. What? Oh fuck. Fuckity fuck. Nope. Where do I go? E here? Oh, I have to kill them first. So... where are they? Oh. Fuck! Okay, that's... oh shit. Why can't I get through here? Like, really? What the fuck? Open. Open. Please. What? Oh, thank you. Guess what? We're falling. The mine. Oh, this is cute, cozy. I like it. Okay. Oh, I'm fully equipped here. Why? Nope. door, root door, go away. Hey. Thank you. Why does the alarm go like that? It's like they're telling everyone, hey, we're coming, we're here. Like, really? Oh, now this gets creepy. No, no door. Where are they? If I... Fuck. Where? Where's my torch? Is that... Yeah, that's a bit... Hello! There we go. Oh, oh fuck! There are more. Hey, what's that? Oh! Go away! Like, no one likes you. Really. Stay away. Freaking bitch. Ouch. Yep, that was. Can you please let me go? Let me go. There, root door. Away. I'm gonna fucking shoot all the guys here. Because, really. Open. Oh. Hello. Is anyone here? Hi. Where are they? Where are you? Oh. There's something. Oh fuck. Ah! Hello. Stay together, please. Please come. Oh. Stay together, people, like... Oh! Fuck! Oh, I only have 2 to go, okay. Oh! No! And that's all. Damn. So hard. Hey, birdie! What are you doing here? Hello? They let you hang up, right? Fly! Go, birdie, fly! Weren't you fucking flying? So rude for a bird. Freaking doors. God damn it. Go down. Where's... Oh. What? Where are you now, bitches? I got 2 guys I want to present you here. 1 for you and 1 for you. Also, I have Mr. Hey, I died. I can still see here. Hello, wall. Where are the monsters? Oh, there's one. His name is Shirley. And why? You survive 35 meters to the mine. Press enter to return to the menu. Oh. Okay, guys, that was the mine. Such hard and harsh game, I mean. This kind of games, you know. Where's my mouse? Well, whatever. See ya guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, it helps me a lot, and share it with your friends, with your family, or anyone that could like this. This was George Jokes. See ya, bye. Mm-mm. 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 Okay, I'll do it. Hey there everyone, this is George Jokes, and today we're gonna play a horror game named The Mine. Let's press enter to start. Press E. But I don't want to press E. Can I run? I don't know. E. 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 I'm pressing. Oh. Fuck. Nope. Close. Don't do that to me. Please. I wanted to go on. I mean, that was really rude, door.